I love this. Something that's been very popular. I mean, I've had the honor of selling these with you before, actually.
Yes.
These awesome wok bowls, which are so, so cute. And they are so functional in so many different ways. Let me tell you about the colors that we have real quick here so we can get right into it. So right here is our floral lace, and we have it available to you in the taupe, black, and the gray. Right next to it over here in the old world, we have it in confetti, green, gray. Back here, we have it in the blue, and next to it in the taupe. Right up here in the doodle do, we have it in the black, gray, some holiday seasonal with our poinsettia.
Love that.
And please note that beautiful cardinal on there as well. 150. This one is very, very quickly going very fast. And last but not least, over here we have our woodland collections that are always very, very popular in the slate blue, the gray, and the taupe. Lisa, these are so cute. I love the handles.
The handles, and you're getting 4. They're 16 ounces in capacity. And a fun fact about this is this started out, there's something on QVC called online only items, right?
Right.
They aren't presented. It started out that way. And this was so incredibly popular that our buyer said to us, oh, we actually have to present this because everybody loves them so much.
Yeah.
It's universal. It's a bowl that goes into the oven, into the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer. And why do we call it a wok bowl? Because it has that great wok bowl shape. Do you remember the story that David Venable told on air?
About his mom.
About his mom.
Yeah, I love it.
Can you share that? Because I thought that was great.
It was so, so smart. So David went home to go visit his mom and noticed that she had these in the cupboard. And he's like, Mom, I didn't know that you had these bowls. That's wonderful. And she was like, yes, I love these bowls. I specifically love them because I can put them in the microwave and I can grab the handles and not burn myself on a regular bowl.
It was such a great call out, wasn't it?
It's so smart.
Totally.
So now this is a convenience factor. As well.
As well.
And a safety feature.
Exactly. They're great for pasta. They're great for soups. They're great for salads. I know we have a lot of great ideas up
check
here.
them out.
And the color, there's a color and a pattern for everyone, right?
And we love that.
Yeah, we sure do. Oh, look at this. We did homemade shepherd's pie in here. So the fact that we have shepherd's pie, that we could literally just cook this right in the oven and bring it out. Then when we come over here, do you love these, like these? I think they're called, are these, these are not faux bowls, are they? These are just what? Little lo mein bowls?
Like a ramen.
A ramen.
Yeah, this looks delicious.
Is that right? And this is healthy eating, portion control, and I love, again, the helper handles on the side. And then if you pick up 4, you can do 2 entrees and 2 sides.
Oh, perfect.
Which I think is great too, right?
Absolutely. But I mean, look at how beautiful these salads. I mean, you could literally prep these in the afternoon and then just put them in the fridge and then you're ready to go for the evening time.
I love that.
Oh my goodness. And the fact that they're nestable, that's just...
Right, exactly. Like if you can do it, I have 2 sets of white woodland at my house.
Right.
That's how I do it.
Perfect.
Right? Look at this, individual desserts here. Maybe Mother's Day. This is what you're going to do with your Mother's Day desserts. Fried rice, yes, please.
Yes.
Yes, and then individual chicken pot pies.
What?
So fun. And then this. Come on, this takes the cake, doesn't it? No pun intended.
This
takes
is
the
so
pie.
cute.
You can do individual pies.
Right.
So it's so Temp-tations, right? You get it home, Steve, and you get inspired, right? You get inspired to cook again. You get inspired to set the table.
Yes.
You just get inspired to entertain.
Definitely.
Yeah.
I'm inspired just looking at all of these amazing bowls and all of the different ways that you can create lots of beautiful dishes. So, so easy. And the thing is, like, what's the first thing to load up the dishwasher? Bowls.
That's right.
We can never have enough bowls.
It's so true.
It's so true, right?
It's so true. It's sort of like the dinnerware thing, right? This is actually like almost open stock dinnerware, if you will. But then I also want you to think of it as a baker because they will go into the oven up to 500 degrees.
Which is perfect, where we're seeing, like, you know, the individual desserts, how easy these perfect little pies. I mean, this could have been like a store-bought like pie crust and just cut up, which is so easy, but looks like $1 million, like a really beautiful 5-star restaurant dessert. just beautiful. When you bring pieces like this home, it gives you reasons to want to entertain and bring over your friends and family and showcase all this love that you put into the food by displaying it in these beautiful pieces.
I love that. And I realize we have this in the gray and the black and doodle. So if you got the square dinnerware in the gray and the black,
oh yeah,
we don't do open stock bowls. So you definitely want to think about picking these up.
Oh my goodness. Well, I feel like we should go take a look.
Sure.
Like it's time to play.
It's time to play.
We're going to mix and match so you
love
can
that.
see all of these fun things here. All right, let's see. I'm going to grab you one of these black doodle-doos.
Okay. I'm going to give you, here, I'm going to trade you two. I'll give you that one.
Perfect.
And I'm going to grab the black, okay? How's that?
Love. Look how amazing this looks. If you got that dinnerware set and now you have this beautiful bowl right on top, look okay,
at that.
Black is very chic.
Isn't that chic?
I love that.
So add these into your collection, you guys.
Definitely.
Because you will be so happy. It's like when you find something coordinating and you don't pick it up,
yes.
Don't you kick yourself later?
100%.
Right.
Do not have that buyer's remorse. Trust me. All right, let me tell you about all of the amazing colors we have left. So right here in that old world, we have it in the gray, the green, the confetti, and oh, confetti is gone. So we're gonna just move that confetti down and let's just take it up to the taupe and the blue. Let's work our way right over here. We have it in the floral lace in the gray, the black, and the taupe.
So pretty.
5 dozen in that taupe.
That's it.
Right up here, speaking of taupe, woodland taupe. Woodland gray, woodland slate blue. Woodlands are always very popular. Right next to it, we have it in that beautiful holiday poinsettia with cardinal. 100 left in this one. We also have it in the gray doodle-doo and the black doodle-doo. So hurry on that one. So much fun with these bowls. All the fun to be had. But speaking of fun, well, we've got our table back with us here.
We do.